Welcome to Great Hall Collections House, where discovery meets distinction. We exist for those who value pieces with presence, jewelry that feels intentional, not mass-produced. Our artisanal moissanite jewelry offerings are thoughtfully curated to reflect craftsmanship, character, and timeless design. Each offering is selected for its brilliance, durability, and story. These are not pieces you stumble upon in a casual scroll or find lining every display case. They're sourced with care, often from artisans and small businesses in the United States and Europe. Creators who believe jewelry should last, not disappear with trends. Moissanite allows us to present exceptional sparkle and fire while honoring modern values, longevity, craftsmanship, and confidence without excess. Every detail matters, from stone quality to setting to finish. Our mission is simple: to help you acquire offerings you'll cherish for years, not moments. Pieces that elevate everyday life, mark milestones, and feel just as relevant tomorrow as they do today. At Great Hall Collections House, jewelry isn't just worn, it's chosen with purpose.